pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit pa sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas? What's up, Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up, Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up, Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up, Pilipinas? Tutok na. So what's up, Pilipinas? Libutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto. Alamin ang tamang daan kung paano ka umasenso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng Pag sa Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa mata at ipapadanas ang saya ng What's Up, Pilipinas. Tutok na, so what's up, Pilipinas? Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng What's Up, Pilipinas.
Hi, good morning. I am Prisha Marita Capan from LEB Naturals Incorporated. Ang brand po namin is Pili Ani, made with Pili Oil and LED Oil. Galing po siya sa Bicol. Si LED Oil po is from the sap of the pili tree. It has firming and lifting, and then anti-aging, antibacterial, and also for helping ng soothing ng skin natin. And we also have the leaf waters for moisturizing lipstick. And this one po, meron din po tayong moisturizing cream, which is good for lightening and brightening ng skin. It has papaya enzymes, vitamin C, and Asiatica centella. And we also have cleanser and toner, plant-based po siya, good for skin hydration. Thank you!
Okay.
Hello, morning sa inyong lahat. Well, I'm the regional distributor of Million Glow by Ken's Diary. Yes, and of course, Ken's Diary created this wellness drinks para po sa lahat. Ang ating pong mga ingredients dito ay all natural and it is composed of 6 different products. Siyempre, unahin ko po ang unang product natin, the Million Glow with avocado cheesecake flavor. So, hindi lang po, syempre ito masarap. It has the natural, of course, components, which are the premium Japanese placenta plus coral sunscreen. Ayan. So, very beneficial po. And the calories of this one is only 25. 25 calories with natural stevia sugar. Next naman po na ating product is the Million Glow Hazelnut. Yes, the peach hazelnut with almond milk flavor. Of course, the element naman po na nandito is the premium Japanese L-carnitine plus the glutathione. So, 20 calories and the sugar as well here is natural stevia. Then, of course, we have the third flavor. It is the watermelon. And at the same time, it has the premium Japanese glutathione plus chamomile. Again. Ito naman has 25 calories and also stevia naman po ang sugar natin. The fourth one, syempre, ito po ay, okay muna natin ito. Ito po ay premium Russian barley grass with lemongrass. Ayan po. Siyempre, ito po coming from Russia. Diba? The first Russia barley po na nasupply nila dito. So, one of the best source of barley. And of course, my natural stevia sugar din po to. It has 20 calories. Ayan. Then, of course, the last but not the least, syempre, medyo nahirapan po akong kunin kasi idinikit po namin. Hindi tumatag. This one naman po is the ube mango flavor. Yan, it has the premium Japanese youth essence plus the Swiss stem cell. So, pang pag-beauty rin po. And my 25 calories, stevia, natural stevia rin po yung sugar niya. On each pouches, it contains 10 sachets. Ayan, 10 sachets that you can enjoy on your every drink po. So what else ang kailangan natin malaman dito? You can enjoy this drink with wellness and healthy free na matutuhan nyo. And ang pwede rin po dito, we also offer distributors dito sa ating Million Glow. Ayan. Thank you so much!
Hi, good morning. So I'm Genevieve Valencia po from iFern and iFern Mini Ladies, your Mini Lady number 10 and Field Vice President. So right now, we're here at our booth no, for iFern Beauty Negosyo. So from the makers of Fertility po ito. So this is our Beauty Negosyo package. No? Here we have our best-selling beauty products, which is the Aurora Face Serum and the Aurora Eye Cream, along with our Aurora Soap and Hand and Body Lotion. So, by the way, our products are made from the best quality ingredients. So, I will share with you isa-isa po ang ating mga benefits of our products. So, right now, we have the Aurora Soap, and it's AAA age-defying ingredients. It has aloe vera, argan oil, and apple stem cell. So, ang maganda po dito is rejuvenation ng skin, nakaka-moisturize, may anti-aging effect, and also it has a natural insect repellent together with our lotion. And sobrang favorite to sa mga countries like Africa, Dubai, kasi kahit sobrang init po, hindi ito malagkit sa skin. And this one, I use all of these by the way every day kasi talaga po hindi ko siya hindi ako pwedeng malis ng bahay na hindi ko po siya ginagamit. Ganun po siya kaganda. And this serum, our face serum, we call it Botox in a bottle. Why? Kasi po, nakakabana talaga siya sa skin. In just 10 minutes, you can see and you can feel the difference, especially when you use it long term. Yan. So, also we have our eye cream. Yan. Para po sa medyo, sa mga masisipag po dyan na medyo nag-iipon na po ng eye bags. Ayan. So, this one is perfect for you. And personally, I really love this kasi kahit po yan po hindi halata because of our eye cream. Yan. So, it really lessens and depuffs our eye bags and our dark circles. So, come here, visit us at our booth at SM Mega Mall Fashion Hall and tignan niyo po for yourself gaano maganda yung ating mga produkto. Thank you!
Hi, my name is Geraldine Nimay from Aficionado under company of Central Permanent Incorporated. Bali po, ang Aficionado po ay talagang kilala po siya na brand ng perfume at tinatangkilik po ng masa dahil po sa aming presyo na pangmasa po talaga. Ngayon po kung gusto niyo pong matry ang aming mga produkto ay available po ito sa lahat po ng malls nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So ngayon po ay meron po kaming bagong launch na product which is yung F7 po. F7! Yan po. Bali, ito po ay talagang in demand po ngayon sa market. Dahil po ito ay isang product ng Victoria's Secret. Yes po. And then one more thing po. Yung amin po nag-trending dati, ang Dior F51. Yan po yung mga sealable namin. Bali po lahat po ng product ni Aficionado at nilaunch namin ng mga product po ng pambabae at panlalaki ay talagang mabebenta po lahat at bestseller po lahat yon. Dahil po ito po ay nagtatagal talaga sa dami yan. Kahit po labhan nyo at pag pinlansya nyo, nandoon pa rin po yung amoy niya. Now po, kung gusto niyo pong magnegosyo, open naman po kami for franchise, which is ito po yung inclusion ng aming franchise. 465 po ang aming franchise package. Okay po. And then, meron din po kami available din po kami sa dealership. Ito po, sa dealer. Okay din po kami. And, open din po kami sa tolling. Sa tolling po. Yan. Pwede rin po kayo magpagawa ng mga sarili nyong mga parang pang souvenir. So, tama ba, Sir Raymond? Pag sa tolling, pang souvenir, pwede po sila. Naggagawa po sila, so package po. Depende po sa magugustuhan ninyo at mapag-aalihan ninyo. Now, kung gusto niyo po pong malaman ang kabuuan, pagdating po kay Aficionado, just visit our website, Aficionado Germany Perfume or www.aficionado.com. Yan po, maraming salamat po. Ay, by the way po pala, ang amin po palang President and CEO ay si Mr. Joel Cruz. Thank you po. Hello, I'm Daisy of Trinidad. This is our product. Our top-selling product is Tawas Ultra Spray. This is for whitening only with aloe vera. And we have top 2 best-selling, which is anti-perspirant underarm spray for sweat and odor. We have perfume, Spark perfume, and also we have new products for food, for sweating, anti-perspirant for food, and we have serum, lotion, and body deodorant for antibacterial and other blocks for body.
Hi, I'm Marlene Gonzalez and we are Buying Skin. So, isa po kaming skincare product manufacturer sa Davao. So, lahat po ng mga products na manufacture namin is plant-based po. So, dito po, ang makikita nyo po is the Acne Care. So, lahat po ng mga number 1 products namin, mga best-selling products is about acne. So, this one, meron po dito niacinamide. Ang niacinamide po is maganda po siya for acne control, dark spots, kung meron po kayong mga sensitive skin, at hindi po kayo matatakot gumamit ng product namin. Kasi kami po ay 100% plant-based, ISO certified, FDA approved, and halal certified po. Maraming salamat po!
Hello everyone, I am Janelle again and I am the marketing officer of Orispa. And you can visit here at Orispa because we are the first and finest maker of 100% product here in the Philippines. So by now, we're available here at SM Mega Mall Fashion. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. My name is Jenna Minjola from OMG. Ayan, welcome po sa ating Beauty Philippines ng DTI dito po sa SM Mega Mall. So, meron po kami ditong booth ng OMG Nail Polish. Ito po yung aming mga product ng OMG Nail Polish. Ayan, available po lahat ng color namin dito sa Mega Mall. Ayan, and also meron din po kami mga 1 liter na mga acetone, cuticle remover, and cuticle blush. And also available din kami ng mga ang mag-distributor, mag-reseller. Ayan, visit lang din po kayo sa aming physical store sa Muñoz, Quezon City. Thank you po.
Hi, I'm Dory po, representing Process Company. Meron tayong mga virgin coconut oil, mga all-natural products po yan. Meron tayong calming oil, essential oil. It is available po sa market na. Meron din tayo sa Mercury, Watsons, and Cultura for only 119 pesos lang po siya. And we have po virgin coconut oil, external use and internal use. Makakatulong sa pampaboost ng immune system, healthy bowel movement, at saka pampalakas ng ating mga resistensya po. Then meron tayong buko shampoo, anti-purple na po tayo, all natural. And meron tayong soap na gawain sa virgin coconut oil, napaka-natural po at maganda sa skin po. Ayan. Thank you! I'm Crystal Villarreña. Ito ang company natin sa NX Cosmetics Industry. Ito tayo po. Hindi na po kayo. Try nyo na po na. Sir. Hi, good morning. My name is Julia. We are from Sadie Organic Soaps Trading. We offer raw materials and soap for your business. We also sell Sadie Organic Soaps. We have Harold, we have Koji, we have collagen soap. We also have our best seller, which is the Koji Soap. We were awarded 2 awards with the Koji Soap brand. And at the same time, meron din po kami mga lunar spray, mga mabago sa bahay, Mario. Thank you.
Ano man ang iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. What's up, Pilipinas? Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, Kahit pa sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas? What's up, Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo.